Amazon gives Prime subscribers access to 100 million songs. 100 million. Today announced an expansion of Amazon Music, which is now available almost in full to Amazon Prime subscribers, providing Amazon Prime users with access to the full catalog of 100 million Amazon Music songs, up from the original 2 million that were available. I didn't even know that. It was 2 million up until now, and then they're like, listen, we don't want you to cancel your Prime, all right? We understand inflation, this and that, subscriptions. Please keep this one. And they're like, we got a couple TV shows. And you're like, I don't care. That's you. Yeah. You're like, I'm out of here. And then they're like, we got even more music. And you're like, no, you're not.
I don't know. I'll give it a shot.
You'll give it a shot.
Yeah.
See if it has what you're looking for. Amazon Prime subscribers are not getting unlimited on-demand access to Amazon Music tracks, but the full catalog is available when using shuffle mode. Songs are ad-free, and users can create playlists that are tailored to personalized listening preferences. Shuffle Play is available for any artist, album, or playlist. The experience will be similar to other services like Pandora. Interesting. So it's not quite to the extent of Apple Music or YouTube Music. However, you're getting Amazon Music access, and what you're already getting with Prime Video, Prime shipping, for $14.99 a month or $139 per year. I'll take the Pantones.
Okay.
It's the same price. It's the exact same price as the Pantones, $15 a month.
You want your colors?
No, I don't know.
More than the music.
I don't know. I mean, I already subscribed to too many music services. I have YouTube Music, Apple Music, and Spotify. Like, I don't. Right. And by the way, I'm not doing that because I'm a maniac. I like to test them all out because we talk about them so much. So I like to use them all and see how they approach things differently.
Yeah, for me, it's about the algorithm.
Yeah.
I just want to like start with a song and then let them figure out.
Right. And which do you prefer at the moment?
I never use Apple Music, so I don't really know. Right now, I'm just using YouTube Music.
YouTube Music, yeah. Well, the thing I noticed with YouTube Music, since it dives into YouTube itself, my kids will often be looking for like a remix or something, and they don't even remember where they heard it. But it just so happens that remix was only ever posted to YouTube, and YouTube Music can find it. And neither of the other platforms can.
Right.
Because they have the whole inventory of audio-only files, but then they also search this inventory of like user-uploaded remixes.
And you get the video.
More obscure stuff. It's in the car mostly, so the video doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
But it's just, they never make a request to play a song that's ever denied on YouTube Music. But there are times on Apple Music or Spotify where it's not available.
Yeah, there's so many covers on YouTube Music.
It's a huge. I'm curious how the inventories actually compare, but it's huge on YouTube Music.